Are you looking for healthy, easy, tasty recipes that your family will enjoy? Well, you'll be happy to know what I want to tell you about. I just wrote a cookbook, right? Full of recipes. They're wholesome, they're healthy, they're recipes that your family will enjoy. I have little kids at home and I know what it takes to make them to, one, enjoy the food, and number two, have smiles on their faces at the end of the meal. But not only that, as a clinically trained pharmacist, what I look for when I'm creating recipes for my family are things that will build them up and not tear them down. So I created a free ebook. It's easy and healthy recipes that your family will enjoy. And guess what? You don't have to pay for it. All you have to do is leave your email address in the link and I'll send you the ebook. So let me know what you think about the cookbook. I had my kids test the recipes and they love them, and I think you will join them too. See you on the inside. Bye for now.